How to use a debit gift card. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can use or where you can use a debit gift card. Now first thing first, what you'll have to know is, can you use a debit gift card anywhere online? Well, yes, you can use your Visa gift card anywhere where Visa cards are accepted. Just always ensure that the remaining balance on your card will cover the amount of your planned purchases. So you'll have to check the balance and you'll have to make sure that your debit gift card has sufficient balance in order to cover the full payment for the purchase you're trying to make. Then you can simply go ahead and head over to a particular website where Visa gift card is accepted. There you want to select the item you want to purchase, and then you want to head over to checkout. On the checkout, you'll have to select your Visa card as your payment method and then enter in your Visa gift card details, and you'll be easily able to make the purchase. So this way you can use Visa debit gift card or Visa gift card. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.